Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video we have seen how to place SL and target on premium chart. Okay, in today's video I will be explaining how to place SL and target on index spot. Okay, I mean index chart. Here we have selected Nifty, so I am showing you how to place SL and target on Nifty chart instead of premium chart. Okay, so I have selected 24700 PE here, and I'm going to placing order on PE order on 24700 PE. Here it is normal SL and target. I am enabling index SL and target. Okay, here we can see the option for index SL and target. So index SL, index target. So this upper level means when we place P order, we should select SL. We should give SL on upper level and target on lower level. Okay, upper level is 24603. Okay, and lower level 24560. That means target is 24560 and SL is 24603. Okay, and I'm placing buy order. Okay, order is placed. Here our SL is 24603. Okay, target 24560. Okay, our target got hit and position is exited. This is how to place index level SL on PE side. Okay, next I will show you how to place index spot SL on CE side. Okay, here I have selected CE panel and strike is 24550 CE, 500 CE. Okay, 10 lots, index SL and index target. My index SL is 24570, target 24600. Okay, bye. Sorry, it should be upper level should be 24600 and lower level should be 24570. Okay, because it's CE order, you should place your SL level on lower level only. Okay, bye. Okay, okay, our SL got triggered and order is exited. This is how to place index SL on both the CE side and PE side. Next I will show you how to place SL automatically to the previous candle, high or low. Okay, so I am going to PE panel, CE panel. Okay, here we have already selected an SL and target 520. Okay, 603, buy. Okay, okay, position order got placed, and here if you want to move our SL to the high of the previous candle, just click previous high or low. So the price is SL is automatically moved to 24595, which is the high of the previous candle. Okay, now the new candle is formed. If I click the previous high or low again, the stop loss is moved to 24578, which is the high of the this candle, this previous candle. Okay, now the stop loss is placed at the high of this candle, and I'm moving my target to 24550. Okay, 24550. Okay, our target got hit. I hope you all understand how to place index SL and target using our scalping software. If you have any queries, please let me know in comments. Join our Telegram group to get more information. Thank you for watching.